Hello everyone, my name is Amal Ratnayaka. In this video, I'll walk you through in, in a create simple CLI based system using C++ in Visual Studio. We will be building a program that calculates the perimeter of a square. I'll guide you step by step. Open the Visual Studio, running, writing, running, and understanding the code. First, we open the Visual Studio. Type here Visual Studio 2022 and then open it. Once it loaded, click on create a new project and available templates. You can select empty project under C++. If you can't see empty project under C++, search here C++, and then you can see like this template. Select empty project C++, this console, and click on next and name your project name. I name it square perimeter and then click on create. Once the project is created, right click on source file in the solution explorer and click on add new item, and then you can see like this window. In here select the C++ file in .cpp and then click on add. Now we are ready to coding. Let's begin with the basic structure of a C++ program. First, we include input-output stream library with as include angle brackets IO stream. Then we use using namespace std semicolon to avoid typing standard repeatedly. Next, we define main function, which is the entry point of every C++ program, using int main brackets curly brackets all our code will go inside these curly brackets. In C++, return 0 is used at the end of the main function to indicate that the program finished successfully. We can add here return 0 semicolon, and then now we define the variables. We will use the double data type to allow both whole numbers and decimals for better accuracy. We can type here double. Our two variables will be length and perimeter. we can write it in one line because length and perimeter is also one data type. Length will store the side length of the square entered by the user, and perimeter will store the result after calculation. And then next type Cout output brackets square perimeter calculator output brackets handle semicolon. Cout output brackets the two lines print the title and underline in the console. The first line shows the text square perimeter calculator and moves to the next line using ENDL. The second line prints a row of equal sign to make the output looks neat, like a heading. Let's handle user input and output. We will promote the user using cout and take their input using cin. We can type here cout enter the side length of square, the side length of the square, and then we can type cin input brackets length semicolon. Then we calculate the perimeter and display the result using more cout statement. Perimeter we can type here perimeter equals 4 multiplied by length. As you can see, we declared an initialized length based on our input and then used in a mathematical formula. Perimeter is calculated using 4 multiplied by length, which follows the formula for square perimeter. The mathematical formula used here is perimeter equal 4 multiplied by side length. It is a simple arithmetic operation and very efficient for our program. And then next type here cout output brackets square details output brackets NDL semicolon. Type cout output bracket side length is our variable and type units, ENDL. And next, Cout perimeter variable perimeter units, ENDL semicolon. These lines the display of a square. The first line prints the heading square details. The second line shows the side length of a square by printing the value of followed by units. The third line prints the calculated perimeter using the perimeter variable, also followed by units. The ENDL at the end of each line moves the output to the next line. Now we have finished our code. We can see here no issue found. Next we have to do is run this program and see the output. Now let's run our program. Click on local Windows debugger. This program promotes to user to enter the input. I enter the side length of square as 5.5, and then you can see here how looks like output 5.5 units. Side length perimeter is 22 units, and then that's it. We have successfully created CLI based program using C++ in Visual Studio to calculate the perimeter of a square. I hope this step-by-step tutorial help you understand how to write and run a simple C++ project. Thank you for watching.